Hello everyone, welcome back to Healthside YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to see advantages and disadvantages of studying abroad. So let's start. Let's see advantages. It makes you a more interesting person. Studying abroad really does broaden your horizons. Being in a foreign country and seeing how other cultures approaches life makes you challenge your assumptions. It makes you see things from another point of view, which turns you into a more rounded and more open-minded person. Second, you get to learn a new language. If you study abroad in a country where they don't speak your native language, you will have an excellent opportunity to learn theirs. There is nothing like living in a country to learn its language. If you already know the basics of the language, this is your opportunity to learn and improve your fluency. Third, it looks good on your resume. Having a period spent studying abroad on your CV tells employers that you are a well-traveled person who is open to different cultures and different points of view. It also suggests that you have the ability to be independent and that you likely possess valuable language skills. Fourth, you can create social networks around the world. Not only you will mix with people who come from your host country, but you will also meet lots of other international students from around the world. You will hopefully create contacts and friends for life, whom you can visit whenever you are in the neck of the woods. Now let's see disadvantages. First, high cost. It is often the case that tuition fees are higher for international students, plus you may not be entitled to the same student loans that you would receive back at home. In addition, you will have to factor in considerable moving costs when you choose to study abroad. Second, language and cultural barriers. While studying abroad is an excellent opportunity to learn a new language, you may initially have some problems with language barriers. This is especially likely at the beginning when you need to arrange things like a bank account and accommodation. It is also possible that you could come up against cultural barriers to do with religion, gender roles, or communication differences. Third, higher risk. If you are unlucky enough to dislike your course, or if you come up against some personal issues and need to return home prematurely, you will have wasted a lot of more time, effort, and money than if you had chosen to study at home. So, this is all about the advantages and disadvantages of studying abroad.